Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and join this family. And if you end up enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment section below. This video is a highly requested video. I posted a video a few weeks ago and it was requested again to film it here. I'm on my way out. I have like errands to run this morning, and yeah, my makeup is really basic, but I was just about to pop on my lashes and then I remembered, oh, this video was requested. Let me just come on here and film something easy and something simple for you guys. So I need to start with the fact that there are different kinds of lashes for different types of faces. So it's usually nice if you pick a lash set that complements your face basically. So this is one here. You have these ones that come in, you know, pack of 10 pairs. There are some that come in pack of 5, and there are some that come in just one set like this. This is the one I'll be using this morning on myself, and I'll be showing you how I attach my lashes. And I need to also mention that I'm not going to fast forward this video just so that you see things in real time. And also I need to mention that there are different lengths, so you just need to pick the one that resonates with you. Some people don't like really full lashes, some people like really full lashes. See, just do what you want, do you, yeah. But yeah, I'm just trying to mention some points that you need to take into consideration when picking your lashes. Yeah, so some lashes like this one feels like it's the same length from the beginning to the end. So usually the lashes come in different lengths. So it starts, the beginning of your eyes is like the beginning of the lashes. So it's smaller, and then as it goes out, it gets longer. Some lash sets are the same from beginning to end. So those are the different kind of lashes, and you want, like I said, you want to pick the one that resonates with you. You want to pick the one that you are comfortable with, yeah. But take your time and pick the lash sets that you think works for you. For fixing your lashes, you need the lashes themselves. This is the pack that I'll be using. You also need a lash glue. I am very used to using this dual lash glue. There are different kind of lash glue on the market. Pick the one that is convenient, you know, for you. This is the one I use, and I think I got this off Amazon or so. I also use this I don't know what it's called. It's like a spatula. Yeah, it's like a spatula. I also use this spatula, and then I also use this scissors. So these are the stuffs that I use when fixing my lashes. These are the stuffs that I use. And yeah, I'm sure you know, of course, the lashes are what you need. The dual glue is for fixing them onto your own natural lashes. That's what the dual glue is for. And then I use the spatula to apply the glue on the lash band. That's what I use this for. And then my scissors, I use it for trimming the lashes. So sometimes the lashes can come and they will be too long for my lash length. You want to customize the lashes to fit your own natural lashes. Just what I'm saying. So those are basically the things that I use when I fix my lashes. So let's just get on to fixing the lashes. So I've opened up my the packaging, and you want to first check to be sure that, because some of these lashes, they come with glue on them, so you want to check and ensure that you remove, or you try to remove as much as you can, because you are going to be adding your own glue to it. So I usually just take my glue, I apply it on my hand or on a surface, whatever works for you. You just use the back of my hand because I'm used to it. That's why I apply almost every product when I'm doing makeup, especially for my clients. I just make sure that it is very sanitary and it's very clean. So I then go on to take my lashes or lash, and can you see this is the lash glue on the spatula, and I just evenly spread it on the lash band. You don't want it to be too much, I don't want it to be too little as well. Just apply what is right, yeah. and then use the spatula to spread it really well so that every part of the lash band is coated. Something like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, something like this. So you want to apply. And oh, I forgot to mention that when you remove your lash from the packaging, especially if it's a very new one, you want to gently I won't say massage, but you want to gently play with it like this, just to alter the or soften the band a bit, so that when you fix it on your lash or on your eyes, it's more maneuvered to fit the shape of your eyes. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So you want to just play with it just a little bit, not play with it that it will cut, to play with it just a little bit so that it takes a particular shape, so that when you want to, the band is softer so that it takes the shape of your eyes. So once you apply the glue, you want to set it aside and then pick up the other one and do the same thing that you did with the first one. So I'm just applying the glue. I've removed the excess glue that was on it, so I'm just applying the glue now on my lash band, and this is what we have. Like I said, don't apply too much. Yeah, don't apply too much on it, just apply the right amount. Make sure that every part of that lash band is coated so that you don't start struggling once you fix it on your eyes. Alright, so now that that's done, I clean up my spatula, of course, because I have like a little excess on it. Clean it up and set it aside for storage. Once you apply your lash glue on your lashes, you want to set it aside for a few seconds just to make the glue tacky. If you can see that this glue on this particular lash is drying out, like it's getting tacky, so this is the perfect time. Once you touch it and it feels a bit like sticky, or like, I don't know, tacky is the word I can use, then you know that it is time for you to fix this on your eyes. Yeah, so I'm just going to go. Some people use tweezers. I prefer to use my hand. It's just, I don't know, it's just a lot easier, to be honest. For me, it's just a lot easier. So I just go on with it and take it. You want to attach it as close to your natural lash as possible. It is very important, as close to your natural lash as possible. So I take it and I just apply it here. Can you see now? Because the glue on the lash band is tacky, it just sticks on it. So once you apply it, you want to hold it for 10 seconds. So you count 1, 2, 3, and while holding it, you push it into that space that you're applying it into. So you want to count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the time you count on to 10, it should attach properly. Now the next part you want to attach is the inner corners of your eyes. So you want to go there, adjust it first, but still pushing it into your eyes. You also hold it there and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the inner corners and the middle are properly fixed. Now you can see this one is dangling, so you go to the end and pull a bit. So once you go to the end and you pull a bit, it straightens the lash band on your eyes. So you pull it and you attach it on your eyes as well, and then you count to 10 as well. So leave it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you have it, guys. That's all. Like, that is literally all you need to do. So you can see the difference between these eyes that have lashes on and these eyes that, I don't have lashes on. You see the difference? It just takes your look to a whole new level. Now if you notice that maybe that you notice some discomfort or anything, just go to the place where you think you have, or you can sense that discomfort, and just maybe push your lashes up a bit so that it goes into the falsies that you just applied. and adjust accordingly. Like anywhere you feel like you're not comfortable, adjust it accordingly. The other thing you can do is you can also go like this and just press your lashes and the falsies together, and there you have it. So while I was fixing this one, the second one was getting tacky, so I'm just going to go ahead and also fix that, just so that you guys can see what I mean. I also need to mention that for those of you that fix lashes that are not equal, you need to be very aware of the length. So the shorter one goes to your inner corner, the shorter part goes to your inner corner, while the longer part goes to the outer part of your eyes. You understand? That's how you want to fix the lashes. So I'm just going to go in to this one and also do the same thing. So I put it on like so. I hold it in the middle and I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I go to the inner corners as well. I attach it in place close to my lash line and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's attached as well. And then I go to the outer part as well. I pull and I attach and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you have it, guys. So that's how to fix your lashes. Like I said, if you're feeling any form of discomfort, just ensure that you go in and just press it up a bit like this. Make sure that any point you're feeling the discomfort, you want to go in and just push your lashes and the falsies into each other, and make sure that you have like a beautiful synergy. Once I finish applying the falsies on my natural lash, I go in with my mascara. And for mascara today, I'll be using my Maybelline mascara, and I just do this just to marry my lashes with the falsies, so that you don't see anything here, just to marry them together. And the reason why I said when you fix your falsies, make sure that they are as close to your lash line as possible is that if they were not close to my lash line, if I open my eyes, you will see like a line between the lashes and the falsies and my natural lash. And because I have eyeshadow on, you would see my natural lash black, then you will see maybe the wine or this color of eyeshadow, and then you then see the lashes. That's not what you want. You want a beautiful synergy. So make sure that it is really close to your lash line, so that everything just blends in very, 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 very smoothly. Do you understand? Some people also go ahead to fix the lower lash line, the lower lash. I'm just here to show you how to fix the upper lash. For myself, I rarely fix my lower lash. All I do is I go in with my mascara and I bring out my natural lash down there. So I do something like this. Yeah, and I do the same thing here. Yeah, so you want to just bring it out and you are good to go. But of course, if you want to fix that works as well. But yeah, so this is the tutorial that I was asked. I think that this is quite beginner friendly. If you are able to go through the steps just like I mentioned, I'm sure that you won't have an issue. But also note that it might take a while, especially if you've never fixed lashes before. It might take a while for you to get a hang of it, but just be patient. With time you will get a hang of it. But this is like the basics of fixing your eyelashes. I also saw a video on Instagram that showed another way of fixing lashes, and it seemed quite simple. I haven't tried it before. This is the method that works for me, and I just stuck with it. I will take permission from the person to see if I can add the video to this video. If I cannot, I will leave the link as well in the description. If I can add it, I will add it and also still leave the link in the description box. If I can't, just check the description box for the link. But yeah, so any of these two methods that you decide to go with will work for you, but just be patient and keep practicing. With makeup, everything is practice. Just keep practicing and you will get better at fixing your lashes. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it and you think it was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you are watching and you still haven't subscribed to me. Please subscribe. I'd like to have you here. So please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. And for those that requested for this video specifically, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know that it was really helpful. And if you still have any questions, whether regarding lashes or regarding any other makeup application or makeup, or you have any makeup questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will attend to them, guys. I always try to attend to you guys and answer your questions, so please leave them in the comment section and I will answer them. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me again. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it to people that you think will also find it really helpful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.